Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are good and safe at your homes. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class today's topic: different types of keys of the keyboard, from page number 24 of book. In today's lesson, we will learn about the different types of keys of the keyboard. So let's start our today's lesson. As you know, the keyboard has different types of keys, such as alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special character keys, and arrow keys. In previous lesson, you have learned about the alphabet keys and number keys. In today's lesson, we will learn about some other keys of the keyboard. So let's start. Today we will discuss about the special keys of the keyboard, and first of all we are going to discuss about the caps lock key. Caps lock key. To type in capital letters, caps lock key is used. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. Press the caps lock key once. A light glows on the top right corner of the keyboard. Now you can type in capital letters. Press the caps lock key again. The light goes off and now you can type small letters. Here you can see in the picture, the caps lock key is present on the left side of the keyboard, and caps lock light is present at the right side of the keyboard. Now we are going to discuss about backspace key. Backspace key. You can erase whatever you have typed by pressing the backspace key. Backspace key erases letters on the left side of the cursor. For example, suppose you have wrongly typed the spelling of the word computer as computer. Press the backspace key once to correct your mistake. Now we are going to discuss about spacebar key. Spacebar Key. Spacebar key is used to give spaces between the words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Enter key. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys present on the keyboard. One near the alphabet keys and one present in the numeric keypad. Dear students, hope you understand today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you. Question number 1 is, which key is used to insert blank space between two words? Question number 2, if you want to write your name in capital letters, which key will you use? Question number 3, which key is used to move to the next line? You have to write the answers to these questions on page number 27 of book. You have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. Thank you.